Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new install video. I just found these Oxito LED lights, so let's check them out. Oxito sent me some reverse lights as well as interior lights, but today we will just be doing the reverse lights for you guys and the interior ones in another video. So let's get right into the video and install these LED chip lights. Here's what the LEDs look like. For the reverse lights, all you need to do is remove these screws on the tail lights here and replace the reverse light bulb with the new LED chip lights. So just go ahead and replace those right here. And here is how the LED lights look. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new here. Anyway, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.